Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Lindy Ray, and in this vlog I'll be taking you with me to Cape Town. So right now it is currently, I don't know, I think it's, let me check. It is currently 1:26 and it is the 17th of December 2025. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, because this is my first ever vlog and I'm not really good at vlogging. I don't know, I don't think it's easy, but I'm gonna try. So right now I'm packing, and it is stressful, guys.
Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm freaking out.
Okay, I'm gonna finish packing. My room is kind of a mess, because like, oh guys, I was in the wardrobe looking for clothes, making outfits. Like I had a mini fashion show, because I need to make sure my outfits are, So yeah, my room is a mess. Yeah, but I'm gonna clean after this when I'm done. And then, yeah, then I'm gonna get back to you guys tomorrow when I leave. And then, yeah. Hi guys. So like, I'm at the bus. I don't know if I told you I'm going by bus.
Sometimes I regret the day I put this ring on.
But yeah, I'm on the bus and I'm trying to talk soft. It's weird. And like, yeah, this is about to be the longest 20 hours of my life. So, anyways, I'll see you like the first stop. I don't know. Yeah, the first stop.
Been waiting on him long enough. My hand out to him, lead me to the place where no one can erase that we were there. Let me in my love, set me loose and I'll go over and above.
We are at the third stop, I think, and we're here at the one.
Looking at my watch, it should have been wrong.
We're at Wembley. As I said, we're at Wembley. We bought some food because we were hungry, and like this is our only stop that actually had food. But the previous stop had like really big, but like we didn't know.
Baby, grown enough to know now what you really want, why and how.
Arrived in Cape Town, and going on a chicken. It's 2, and it's like 11:30. Oh, so we just wanna go eat because we're hungry. Yeah, so we wanna go eat Nando's, I think. So I don't know.
The place where no one can erase that we were there. Let me in my love, set me loose and I'll go over.
No. 1 + 1 is 2.
TV. Are you a phone away Sunday? Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. I'm sending one miloto. We are born away TV. Are you a phone away Sunday? Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. I'm sending one miloto.
My lash is also flying, so I need to regrow it. Some of these hair bonding go. my lip gloss. Card, and my phone, and that's it. Yeah. Hey guys, so right now I'm back at the hotel and I just finished bathing. I'm gonna wash the dishes now. I don't have a lot to do, just these. Yeah, so we just washed them. Hi guys, it is currently 10, you can't see, but it's 10:56 and just finished eating breakfast and we're gonna go swim before we go out for the day. Yeah, sorry.
Time will bring the real end about your eye. Today there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always with you. You feel the same.
Macaroni and cheese, yeah. This side, this just lifted.
I had to set you free, away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings.
Guys, I'm back home. I'm exhausted. Oh. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow because I don't think there's anything interesting to vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, now on our way to the beach. And then we go to the aquarium. Yeah. show you guys quickly, but this is the area. Yeah, it smells really bad, yo, but it's beautiful. Hi guys, yo, I'm back at the hotel. I don't know when I spoke to you guys. Where was I? At the aquarium. Right, I got back home. I went for a swim, right, and then I'll just show you guys how the pool looked when I got there. There were no LED lights, it was just one bright light. I swam for like 40 minutes and then I came back. I took a shower, a very long shower, guys. My eyes are red because like at the beach there I bumped into this big wave, this massive wave. It threw me on the floor and like the sun got in my eyes. So yeah, that's my eyes are red. I think I'm gonna buy eye drops tomorrow because we don't have that right now. And right now I just finished bathing and it's like what time now? It's like 11. Yeah, I finished swimming at 9 minutes to 9. So right now I'm trying to blow dry my hair. I'm done blow drying my hair. Yo, my eyes look bad. Yo, look. Ill, very ill. I'm done blow drying my hair. I'm moving up my food. I got hot pot. And then I also got some milk pudding. And look how small it is. Like, why isn't it the same size as the hot pot? Like the size. Why? I love mango pudding. I really love it. And it's small. Anyways, let me go eat. I think I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's my last day here. So basically I'm leaving. And my flight leaves at 2. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Bye. Hi guys. Today's the day I leave, right? I don't wanna leave. Oh, I don't wanna leave. But like obviously like who would wanna leave? Why would you wanna leave? Like, this is Cape Town, babes. So I already had breakfast. I couldn't vlog, I was in a hurry, you know. So this is my outfit. And I took off my shoes because I'm just relaxing now. The flight leaves at 3. So, and it is currently 11:15. So yeah, this is my outfit. These are the shoes I was wearing. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I leave.
Fiasco.